yesterday when it cleared up and the sun come out about 8:15. The deer started coming out about 8:30, and they stayed moving up until about 2:45. I seen my last deer yesterday, and then the rain came back in about 3:30, and it rained hard, blew hard ever since. So we're going to try it this morning. It's a very nice morning. And once again, as a deer hunter, you have to choose the time and location of your shots. I have several opportunities to take some shots yesterday that I didn't. And the reason behind that is that the deer were traveling together. And if I take a shot at a buck in a group of deer, the other deer will scatter. And I want to keep them calm this time of year. Here in about mid-November, they'll be singled out, and the bucks will be chasing single does. And then that will give me the chance to start harvesting some bucks. I already got one buck in the freezer I took the first of the year. And fortunate enough, he was by himself, so you have to pick and choose your shots. So if things come up, we got another 20 minutes. The sun will get up totally, and hopefully it'll be a day like yesterday. The deer will be out, coming out of the bottoms up here into the hardwoods, getting the acorns, or what's left of the acorns. I had a buck yesterday I've never seen before. It had a real nice rack on one side, and the other side looked like a corkscrew. I've never seen that before. It was actually curled. But I never seen him all summer long. So we got bucks coming in here. And a deer, they'll travel an area of a mile and a half, depending on their food. And a lot of the lower part here in the mountain, the food source is starting to dwindle. And we have fertilized and food plots and taking care of this area, and it seems to be bringing the deer up through here now into the rest of the hunting season. So that might be a reason why that buck came through here yesterday, and why I've never seen him before. So thanks for coming along. Go ahead and subscribe. Like I say, we got 20-30 minutes here. We'll just see how it goes. And always remember, hunt safe. But this stand here, it's actually a good shotgun stand. And you'll have a 40-yard shot. But this line down through here, the mountain laurel, and it's a breaking point for where it comes up the hill to the hardwoods here. And the deer come up and out of that mountain laurel after a good, wet, cold evening. So I thought I'd try this one this morning. Try this stand this morning. But they'll walk the edge of this mountain laurel when they come up out of there. Yeah, we got about 20 minutes, 25 more minutes before dark. And this stand here, they come up out of the bottom through the mountain laurel and up into the hardwoods. And today, 5 does and a yearling. And that's one thing that I am pushing is you got to locate your does and their habit. And once you locate them, you will get your bucks. Because today, seeing these does come up through this mountain laurel, that gives me 5 chances here in a couple weeks when the rut gets going to take a buck out of this stand by understanding the doe's habits. So it was a pretty good day. I didn't see a buck come through today, but I seen what I wanted to see. And these trees here along the edge are one of the ones that I fertilized this last spring. So the deer are working the acorns on them pretty good. I'm glad you're with me. Go ahead and subscribe. And have a safe hunt. And we'll see you again.